abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe segudwini
Welcome guys, welcome to Enkundleni exclusive brought to you by Deb3 Events khona lapha at Deb3 Studios. Sithi thina for all types of events, sikhuluma ngama corporate events, social events, church events, community events, family events. Get in touch with Deb3 Events for planning and management of that particular event. Nxa ufuna stage higher, PA system, LED screens, videography, photography, even ama special effects, smoke machines. Get in touch with Deb3 Events using the contacts akhona lapho ku screen sakho. It has been an exciting week. Siyabona ama developments. Ngifisa nxa ngizintroduce ngithi ibizo lami nguNonduduzo ovela eKhezi, kodwa nginguNonduduzo Ncube ovela eGwanda. Ngihamba lo Leslie. Ngizalitshela why ngikhuluma ngokuthi semfisa ukuthi ngabe ngoyikhezi. Ngini kungaphi Leslie?
Mina ekhaya. Kusemakhandeni.
Ulakhaya.
Ekaze emakhandeni.
Awulakhaya.
Lala ekhaya.
Awulakhaya. Awulakhaya wena.
Emakhandeni.
Awulakhaya wena.
Kabe ekhaya kule value yini othiwa ekhaya kumele lwenze.
Yazi ukuthi nxa ungumuntu omnyama kumele ube lekhaya.
Ekhaya kusemakhandeni.
I'm not saying ukuthi like for instance, I'm from Gwanda. But angikwazi ukuthi iGwanda vela ngiyazi, but I know I'm from Gwanda. So kumele ube la lapho udabuka khona ukuthi udabuka ngapi.
Vele la muntu othiwa ngoeGwanda.
Ubani?
Abantu bonke abeGwanda kumele babekwazi ukuthi bona vele bavela ngapi siyafika eGwanda.
Mina ngeGwanda eMkhalipe.
Mina ekhaya
eMasuthwini.
Wena ungumsuthu?
Mina angikhuluma isuthu
kodwa
kodwa
eMasuthwini lalivela. Lize lezitele eMasuthwini wena.
Ubaba nguye ngumsuthu kunaso umsuthu.
Neka uzemakhandeni.
Serious?
Efuthi kusemakhandeni.
Okay. So anyway, we are seeing developments in Khezi. I think that's a good thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
In preparation for the Independence Day ekhona mhla ka-18 April. So siyabona kuyalungiswa imigwaqo infrastructure kuyalungiswa eKhezi.
Yeah, and thina vele. Alright, salibona. Mina ngizintroduce.
Ngu-introduce.
Sweet.
Ngihamba lo General Leslie.
Yimi sweet. General Leslie. It's not only Okuhle Designs, but that is bringing good things in town. Like I said, for all your graphic work, graphic designing, t-shirt printing, banners, whatsoever. Make sure you visit Okuhle Designs for all your graphic and marketing works. But thina karesendlala umgwaqo weKhezi muhle man. Umgwaqo man muhle. Abasisi bethu abaseKhezi because andikaresi kuyakwa ngayo labo bhilida labo basutha. You know, iKhezi is there.
Why usitho sisiba obuthi bona akulama builders ama contractors angabosisi ukuthi lakho.
It's very rare. It's very vele ungabona sokuthiwa sokule development kumbe kuthiwa sokuyakho iziporo and uyabokwazi ukuthi 70 ngamadoda then 10 abafazi. And abafazi kuyilabana abafundileyo maybe abasaveyayo so babe vele paranti thina emergency esabe sidonsa iziporo so sabe sinathi power kwampane ebantwini. Sabe sebantwini.
So development isentweni eziningi.
Isentweni eziningi eKhezi. People imthathu karesi yaphekwa kare independence kukhona omnye othola independence before 18 April kareso. What independence eKhezi. But I mean, I think ama national programs. I know us being Ndebelezi will always complain ukuthi hey sebebuya lezi zinto zabo ngapha. But mina ngabe most of our national programs abuya emathebeleni for the sake of development. I remember the first time sibilo kwalungiswa imigwaqo kakhulu koBulawayo. Kakhulu sibuthi imigwaqo kathi siyalungiswa. It was 2017 just before kuphuma kwa former President Robert Mugabe. and wayebuya so ekubuyeni kwakhe kwakumela enkulumani esiyavula some post office wayelama errands amaningi and imigwaqo yalunga. I remember that time faka sibili proper standards ukuthi kumele ahambe la and ezinye indawo ezalungiswa at that time like arrests zilokho sharp hayi ukuthi into zeZimbabwe zihlale but
Kungconywana,
but
kungconywana.
kungconywana so same thing like case like ngike ngahamba eCares I think it was last year I think hayi ukuthi like nxa ucrossana maybe le bus sokumele half yeviri liphume phandle kwethara
Yeah, man.
then ekuphendukeni ethareni amathaya asikwa and not right and but at least for this period kuyabe kulomgwaqo ohamba usiyafika lapho kuyabe kulama celebration and it's deep in sengikhohle ibizo lesikole but kuphakathi sibili ngala and then kuyasala zokulo kuyistadium ukuthi abantwana labo sebekwanisa ukuyabuthana kuma sports kwampana and kulento eyabisitshintshile ukuthi imagine in a space of 3 years if you have regular national events esenzakala endaweni ezehlukeneyo and ngoba development ayisozibuye ngemetsi zethu thina ukuthi sizachinga then bayekela abakwenzayo babuye bazolungisa okwenza izindawo ngale Harare zilungiswe ukuthi ngumgwaqo yabo usiye parliament and every day kumele umuntu adlule la ese parliament so umgwaqo lo somela unjani uchunu so la singaqalisa ukuwa accept ama events lawa sekela ukuhlala sichinga uphela ukuthi yonke into siyachinga I think kungasiza.
You know, sometimes I think it's important ukuthi njengomuntu bekwazi ukuthi okay, this is a battle that I can't win.
Yes.
When we're talking about development issues, guys, Tina's cooler vela, our parents were talking about development. Ukuthi hey bakithi lokhu bekhala lathi lokho esikhala so akusoze kuyenzakale vele ngendlela esifisa ukuthi kwenzakale ngayo. Sometimes it's best to accept it.
And Tina singayibona formula.
Ungathi wena you're going to I know most people won't agree with me, but ungathi wena you're going to fight. You're going to fight when you see that this is a losing battle. You're wasting that energy.
Yeah.
So I think nxa kuvuka kwi-opportunity okunjengakhona lokho, I think we can
kufanana le era ka that time just before elections when Umthuli was campaigning elungisa umgwaqo eCauldron. Mina vele ngithi next elections uyani futhi licampaign emergency lilungisa umgwaqo abantu bazamvotela bamfuna but lina bayalinja licampaign emergency because at the end of the day bekuhambeka and kuzakufa but kuba lesikhathi sokuthi kuba le relief and kungaba consistent kuyizinto kwakhona so I think siyaphila so singahlali isichinga bakithi kade sichinga amazigi
kade kulungiswa umgwaqo kulungiswa stadium kulungiswa le mizi
imizi kulabo anti bethu abachiwa ngabo baba akhona amaxhegu lapha yakhayo alendawo zokulala yabona into ziyahamba so like things are happening omunye salethe ngokuyimbuzi omunye sehle thutha vele sehle siyahlala uZumba like into ziyahamba.
I think it's not fair though ukuthi khona lokho ukuthi okay yes we are saying yes there is a development process that is happening and or development whatever that is happening. And then was employment. At least let the local people benefit from those employment.
No, but there are people that are there because the principle of construction now is for hard labor, you employ people from that area. So for example nxa kuyikuthi kulokuganyulwa kwenkuni kulokugejwa kwama-foundation kulokuvuba kodaka and what and you employ people from that area then lina you only come with ama-experts asebe tried and tested because kulamanye ama-particular trends ukuthi alingeke lithi umuntu sesurvey umgwaqo simthole eCares asikwazi ukuthi useke wasurveyani before and all that so babizwa kuthiwa ngama-casuals and ama-casuals is people from that area. So ikhona enye imuli khathesi edlayo imali yokuthi umntwana maybe uyagebha ngale or ujika izitina or baloda or whatsoever and khonkana kushap kuyamnika futhi exposure because abanye sasingafa siselusa inkomo ngaba sitholanga okunye kuyi-exposure somehow yabona because kukhona omunye umuntu karezo ethi angabona ama-robots so singatshone wabukele whole day kholisa zothi green red.
Anyway, at least bathola umsebenzi ngesikhathi sokubuye imali entsha. We saw new notes amazig local currency. $10, $50, $100.
20.
The $20,
Eh,
like
le
200, like $200. Amazik, I say code. But now I'm actually thinking, which okay, we saw like previously Amazik abekona. It's not abekona. But you would find ukuthi uyawathole Harare asebenza Chekutu Kadoma, then nxa usufika Kwekwe, nxa ususithi Gweru ususiza ngapha, yeyish sokudonsa nzima. I remember there was this time when I was coming from Edge, bafika laphana sebe ku recess some sort. Sasifika laphana in some garage. I think it was Kadoma, if I'm not mistaken. Sasifika laphana, I'm buying some food and stuff. And then it changed. Usengiqhubela amazigi. And I was totally blank. Ukuthi
yeah.
Izigi leyi iyimalini. And what am I going to buy with it? Because this side, it's only big shops like TM, OK, ezithatha amazigi. Indawo eziningi esithenga kizo azithatha amazigi. They won't say it, but abathatha amazigi. And i-hard cash yabungelayo. Bahle bakutshothi iswipe yezigasila. Iko cash yezigasila. So I'm actually thinking, okay, since sokulama notes lawa, are they actually going to work this side or is the same thing?
Ama notes, and they've always been there. Vele, because ungakhangela
This side
even.
abengekho phela.
I want to take you back to a bond. Phela bond ngapha la sebenza to a certain time. Then kwangani akusela bond. Till I went to Harare 2023 or 4. 23 I think. I think sisiya perform a play kwakuthiwa nguSiphelo Sohamba. So we get to Harare. It was me, Umzi, Lothando, Dramatic Miss, Lokumbilani, the four of us. Lama stage managers at Hong 2. So sesifikile kuvenue and we decided, guys, asike singene entown. You was low fike endaweni ezwayicina ukudala and kwabanye indawo entsha. Ba sesingene entown. So siyabhadala singu7. So it means $1 yabikwana bangu$2, then enye $1 sile change. Then uBudlwana usinika ama point. Asichinga kanje. Sathi sona bona sisithuda thina. Because bona sisithuda lokho kwaphela kudala only to find out ukuthi yithi sodwa sithingayo emshoveni. Abaye bayamukela ama point abo bafaya isicomment and kanti sesethu so ibond laqhubeka lisebenza okwesikhathi sithi but ngapha selingasasebenzi. Same thing lezi kanti izigi ngapha kungani kuzaba nzima indaba zemali lezo yazuthi ngani eZimbabwe ilama partitions ngivele eNamibia ngadlula Falls and the Falls kulamanye ama-car park ukuthi nxa uhamba nge-truck abavumi rand bafuna ikwatsha so either USD or kwatsha. And
But it's inside Zimbabwe.
It's inside Zimbabwe. Kule car biggest car park epark ama-truck eVic Falls. Vele ungafika le rand baqasa ukuzana karundo tolo awuva.
And how about local njengokuthi BRE?
Vele khona ukuve abakwazi njengakho ve khona totally ve abakwazi and same if you go khona eduze Plumtree they are still struggling with the US dollar.
Yes.
They know Iran like lepula. Ungavele ufike so le US
It's the same with bait.
uyabona like sebeqasa ukucitshela so ukuthi kwini so ilingana lani like into ezinjalo cholocho. So I think iZimbabwe ilama partitions so uthi ungafika la and izig I think imali ikarezi Harare ikarezi yabo kompara irand labo ipula labo
because even Gweru you can actually use rands.
Yes, you can use rands.
But kusiyale ama rands
abafuni after Gweru ngala but ngale manje angazi because izigi futhi liyahlupha kibo khwekhwe lilutshwane sibili nxa uthenga la
plenty of USD.
There's too much USD. So Aliana Kareza don't babhoda bathi kule mali entshe ngenileyo yini wensuke wayibona
ngibona video yabo Matsmai Zigiredu Mariedu Inonaka
awukhumbula umember esapatina sure at that age ngona uthabela chicken asindawo
Zigiredu Inonaka, did you see it?
No, I haven't seen it. Who changed it? When I was saying gossip.
I'll try by all means.
Abadala now.
Yakasimba inotenga siki yetu yakanaka Yakasimba inotenga siki yetu yakanaka Yakasimba inotenga siki yetu yakanaka Yakasimba inotenga.
Abadala, true story. I spoke to ugogo wami, ngugogo wami Parei, ngugogo mncane. So ugogo wami, true story, ugogo calls me, athi, Leslie, uthi Sawandi, alapha manje sokunzima la, ngithi indawo uthi, uTrump useyithatha imali yakhe, sokungena iziki. Vele seyithatha masakwazi senzeni ngama-US dollar sithenge ngawo wonke aphele. Mina ngathi gogo. True story. Like gogo, cina imali yakho uhambe uyethenga igrocery yakho, whatever savings that you have, qhubeka uyigcinela ama-savings akho. Imali ukuzoncedisana ne-US dollar. Wathi bakhulumile abanye la bedlula ukuthi i-US dollar besethatha uTrump. And abadala inkani.
People are spreading misinformation. You see that?
I don't fear for abogogo bethu emakhaya. Bathengisa imali. Imagine uzothatha $100 thenga inkukhu, uTrump usethatha
And ugogo bale mali.
ugogo bale mali sabezivalile. You remember ngesikhathi kuphuma kwakuyi-Beres check. Ama-Beres check asale sephuma, so i-Beres check seliphelile. So briefcase i-Beres check. Imali yegogo ubuyigcinele. Imali yami yokuthenga inkomo. So I ngifisa ukuthi ngabe i-information, especially laba abayenza ama-roadshow, yikuthi kuphela siyathanda ukuba fans, like even ama-campaign ethu asetown, into zethu eziningi setown. But thina ngayi-information yafika nge 2 minutes, but just send a viral message ku-WhatsApp, sayibona, or Facebook, and asambeni emakhaya and tell them about imali lezi and not alright. Because abahamba bama-roadshow emakhaya. And I gonna make a catch. People
are spreading misinformation. Yes.
So I think educational or empowerment, whatever it is.
And now, talking of everyone is looking for an opportunity to eat.
Yeah,
so kulabanye ababe spread that misinformation kwenza uthini bathola amathuba ukuthi badle. And now what makes it worse? Kulezi botshwa lezi eziphumileyo lezi.
Ezabe zisamuvuka ba.
Lezi manje seziyabe zingena fair ezindlini. Because how many prisoners were released?
Nationwide, I think it was supposed to be 4,000 and something. Yes, I read that article. 4,000 and something nationwide. I think Ikray akiba 300 and something. Forgive me, ngama figures angila exact, like ngabali article some weeks ago. But nyakwazi ukuthi I may not be accurate, but I'm close. So bengicalculate nje nxa kuphuma 300 ko Gray. Yes, again.
Kami group and stuff like that. And now mina kusiya ngama bemfisa ukuthi at least ngawe nxa besenza into nje amnesty lezi. They also, of course, they say they do it, but I don't think they really do it ngendlela civilly thoroughly. To say now, in terms of selection, who benefits from the amnesty?
Yeah,
the
that one is there actually.
It's there, but remember, we have a video of that Kulu rapist, Owapumayo. You remember that Kulu rapist, who I say Babazo president and stuff. So I think sometimes it's important ukuthi kukhangelwe in nature yecala ukuthi people abantu abanje ama-rapist, because ungananzelela isikhathi esiningi ama-rapist they usually repeat the offense. Ebanjiwe umbe ngabanjwanga isikhathi esiningi ungakhangelisisa uzwa umuntu oyenza sexual assault or something, you find ukuthi kule kunye kuyi-history futhi back there omunye wakwabotshwa for sexual assault, wakwathi omunye kaza kabotshwe but kwaye kwaba le issue ukuthi wakwa-abuser of some sort. Ama-rapist usually angazi personally, I think those are people who have difficult in terms of changing, becoming better people, and into wakhona ngani kuyabe kukuye like.
Yeah,
I think-
Bona now the whole thing. I was so much interested in it, and I think I'll try and invite one of the bishops or yenza hospitals and prison ministry. Ohamba nje siyaxoxisana. I used to go with him a lot, and wakwangichasisela like ukuthi abantu ababe benze things like robbery, murder, anti ama lokuzena khona, and also rape is also there. So kulamacala okuthi vele awuphumi ngeamnesty, but emacaleni wona lawana alama conditions futhi. There's a certain period of time yokuthi if you have served for this long and you have shown signs of repentance, keep, and I think it was a minimum of 20 years. Or maybe nxa wangena ngemurder or aborobhari or
Can I ask you something? Let's say it's a rapist who rape females in a male prison.
Angazi ukuthi bona
Ngoba umuntu lo is in a male prison, and you will find ukuthi he's a rapist, but he has a good character kwezinye izinto. Umuntu nje othembekileyo, honest, hardworking and everything, ophila kuhle labanye, but he's a rapist.
Yena vele is a
And ufakwe in a male prison, yena vele uzirepela abafazi.
Akukuphela,
So
yeah.
libona njani ukuthi umuntu lo
Yeah.
usetshintshile kasoza aphinda kuyenza ngoba akala opportunity or victim yokuthi ayirape. How do yabo?
Yeah.
So that's why ngithi mina abantu abanjengama rapist guys, yo mina
Then
ngifisa
mina
ukuthi bephuma.
my biggest worry though is even for these guys that have changed, that were doing what we are calling minor crimes. I don't know what exactly they call them. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi abizwa njalo. Maybe laba kade betshontshe town lapha or kade beshabo house breaking anti baba benefitayo kakhulu. So ungakhangela amacala abo kakhulu amaningi awendlala. So nxa sibakhipha lapha
Sendlaleni futhi.
sibasanga exactly do we have, because kungangcono like sithi thina sesilendawo lapha ukulungiswa khona imbheda and abantu ababazayo lapha ngama ex convict kuphela and uphuma vele bra suthu siye span lapha but anonti khares siyabakhipha kuphela and sibafake futhi emphakathini and then sebedinga umsebenzi sebeuswela because of two reasons. Number one, kafundanga. Number two, ex convict. So vele konkeana ngokwakho umuntu ngavela uthi ngaye ngabotshwa kasakuqhatsha. So it means sebehlezi futhi sebelambile. Asisekake.
So amnesty it's only for ukurelieve ama prisons ukuthi agcwele kakhulu. It has nothing to do with the prisoners themselves.
Because asifuleni do you know ukuthi I know ukuthi ukuvula civil industry kunzima and but madoda sibe le ndawo yokuthi wara sesifuna ama tree fellas labana basika isihlahla.
To make it simple, just build more prisons. Umuntu eseve 20 years zakhe zikwani yabe sephuma.
Akawona wena.
Njoba ama-industry how many years sisehluleka. Ngcono nje sifake izitina kuyakho imduli. Wona ama-prisoners ayakhi
abanye though not that I'm justifying them man. Kulezinye boys ezingena zizincane because of peer pressure. For example, ngafala ukukabe kutshontshe town lapha nje. Awukuningi kwakhona sibili it's peer pressure. And like I said uthi aninyaka emvakatshe eGrey. Bafakwa sibile emaklasini sibile like proper class uthi kuseni uyengena eklasini lamabhuku afunde. So nyabe sengikhangela upho uthi umuntu lana esengena because lapha into abeyibalekele endlini ukukhuzwa ikuthunywa ikufunda maybe sekutholile opportunity yokuthi wafunda wabhala iOlevel wapass. I think umuntu lo deserve ukuphuma lo azozama.
Usitshilo kodwa mina if it were up to me I'll just build more prisons. Ukuthi umuntu nxa kuthe 40 years aseve 40 years zakhe ezikwanileyo.
Yeah ukuthi khona kubuhlungu kimi mina oyabe ewonelwe since sizokuthiwa umawona usephumile after 6 months instead of 5 years. ngoba
wena urembeswa
then mina andrembeswanga like inkomo zami zanyamalala abafana be stock theft sokuthiwa sebephumile wonke umuntu usevalela inkomo ngofo ngoba kabathembi
Ngwagwazwa waba yisilima. You know?
yeah kubuhlungu kimi mina oyenzeleyo but well everyone deserves a second chance. Yeah. Right.
Anyway, talking of a second chance, kulabanye sibabonayo abasebethola osoku-announce ukuthi baphiwa ithuba lokuba lama collaborations. Angazi ukuthi second chance le first chance, but anyway, you're talking of collaborations.
Yeah, collaborations interesting. Interesting collaborations, especially ngapha kobulayo social media, like ungakhangela content esenziwa ngabe-Chical Joy base South, and it's a mixture of Zulu, Tswana, Shona, Ndebele, so everyone can relate. Even ngapha thina ama-content creators sebehlangana sebesenza into zabo, and musical mina the big one, the catch is isingle kaBaba Rarela Maqaqo. Bruh, that thing is on point. Lapana yikho bona besenza but Karesi siqasile ukupheka music.
Yes.
And Karesi, we now have a reason to start saying hayi kati indaba amaqaqe nganominethwa. Ayikona lokho bese kuchinga emuva lokho hayi Karesi singabona amaqaqe ngafakwa
Angilasifuba. I want to say this. Let me tell you what Leslie was saying behind scenes. Let me tell you what Leslie was saying behind scenes. Leslie was saying, if you're a musician based in Bulawayo, nxa uhlakaniphile, refrain from popotaring ngokuthi why abantu bakobulawayo benganominated for amanama kunominated Hararian musicians only.
Yeah, look at Messi umuchinga.
At least ngicela nje ukuthi why were you saying that?
If sibili if silalela sibili ngoma sibilani then
Ingoma.
Yes, then sesiqede ukulalela nje sibe sesikhangela futhi le public reaction and remember labana madoda, they invest in their craft.
Yes.
Mina, I'll give 2 examples of people that have been consistent for years. I know baningi that have been consistent for years. People like XQ, people like Freeman, and those guys have been there since urban groups. And but ungakhangela uJapreza lo Winky T. Laba bakunika every year.
Yes.
And awusweli 2 ku album lawe even usithi nyamzonda 2 zithi alapha uchayile.
Efana la uBaba Harare
Even uBaba Harare. Ingoma zakhe vele ngapha thina siyabe sichinga sithi eyohlabela inhlamba, but ungakhangela if you go back and research about cultures, izinto azihlabela uBaba Harare ziyahlatshelwa emfeni yamashona, ziyahlatshelwa even kuma celebrations. And ngapha thina sizinhlamba, but kulezikhathi lapho kuhlatshelwa khona imgido yona egidi khothama yona le bayichaya ve into ekhona iculture leyana.
Nto saba lama funerals ungabali kuma rally omhlanga omkhulu.
Iculture, so thina sabe sesidinga nje kuphela indlela zo. Ingoma they are well mastered, they invest in their videos. Kule ngoma kaJapreza lo Felinandi abahamba bayishutela eSouth, like ukugadi team yonke indeke liye shoot. They could have shot it khona, but izinto ababezifuna. Enxa usuyibukele so okuthiwa ngusarungano. Nxa usuyibukele you feel ukuthi okay, costume and everything. And then thina what do we do? Ngiyabhala ingoma yami mina uLesland, ngayibhala and semfika lapha kumjido wami engingafuna ukumbhadala ongiproducer. Sithi that just phongo uyitshuna ukuthi iphuma. Sesiyitshuna kuphela ukuthi iphuma. Singayitshuna kuphela ingoma yethu ukuthi iphuma and then abangani bethu abaningi sebeyihlabela. Abangani bethu abaningi bangayihlabela sesichinga ukuthi wayengekho kuna.
Usathi abaningi ungakhuluma ukuthi abangani abangafika 5.
Baningi nje abangani bami community yami. So singaqalisa like we were saying about the kids. I mean, I think not ukuthi ungaba ku feature le artist le Harare, it's a breakthrough and but I mean I think audience yamaqaqa khathesi sikhulile.
Yes.
And ungakhangela iaudience yabo Beata Mangethe yakhula njalo azayenza ialbum lo Alec Macheso, iaudience yabo Sandra yakhula njalo, like for everyone ama audience aqasa ukukhula nxa la usuqalisa ukushala abanye abangani.
I think this thing it applies on both sides. We
Yes.
might say Bulawayo musicians, audience, they but I think that's exactly what Baba Harare is doing.
Exactly.
He's actually trying to grow his audience.
His audience ngapha,
Ngoba
ngoba kala
ngapha,
ma-shows ngapha.
so you will find ukuthi because of amaqaqa usesaziwa Bulawayo Gwanda,
Yeah,
Philabusi,
yeah,
you know,
yeah,
usebemazi ukuthi kulo Baba Harare
Sebeqalisa
yabo.
ukum-accept,
And I was telling you ukuthi mina lami ngangamazi ngabamazi because wa performa kuma nama ayengapha. That's when that's when I got to know him. Ukuthi okay, this is the Baba Harare ohlale khulunywa because ngangiyake ngizwe ngaye. Ngipho ngizwe ukuthi maybe ngokunye lakho kuyi upcoming. But because of that show I got to know. So I think khona lokho okukhulumayo ukuthi even our very own can start partnering with musicians from that side. Kuma shows kusho ukuthi nxa angahosta ishow khona ngale Harare maqaqa labo sebezahamba bayiperforma nga eHarare. That's when people get to know him.
Yeah.
So I think yeah.
And kula ma-artist ahlakaniphile ayibambayo i-concept yakhona anti. And awusoze ubazi bejinga. Baspana abajinga anti. Then I said this again and again. Nxa sebespanile anti. Bagcina sebehlezi duze lo msebenzi because mina resi ngangena ekuthini sengimayina amalahle. Sumele nihlale wanga. But ngiumuntu wakobulawayo. Omayina amalahle ewanga. So people like Kevin Mangena and Thamsanqa Moyo, Thami Moyo, when they now go and stay emsebenzini sesibafinya thina ngase sithi hasibo bakobulawayo. But bahlezi emayini phela labana.
Yeah.
Basemayini yikho abamayina khona. So but mina ama-collab la I think are sharp. Because at some point we will see Baba Harare having a live show koBulawayo. We will see amaqaqa having a live show eHarare. And after ama-collab anje, don't just sit down and say kuzabuya kodwa. Keep making good music.
Yes.
When laba abalutshwana kade bengakwazi asebekwazi banike something to follow and get another collab futhi if it is working and find another person from Tare or wherever and mix those two languages. Get another collab Swambile.
Wow, that's actually nice. I mean, I'm supporting Amaqaqa. I'm supporting Macala, and for the first time, I'm supporting Black Diva in terms of collaborator lo Baba Harare. I think it's a good thing.
It's a good thing.
Now, moving on to the end of our program. Slama shows.
Yeah, ama-shows
Okay.
akhona. Ama-shows akhona. Ama-shows akhona.
Really,
Inyama.
really, Leslie. Really?
Vele ungabuya emsebenzini ungadla
Can
inyama.
problem wakhe nga? Problem wakhe nga?
Antwena ngazidla ipanze le-cream la. Nanzidla inyama, meat. All right, ama-shows akhona. Finally, the roast is here. I-roast of Khaya Pardon, it's here. Ama-tickets athengwe kuhle. Thank you so much, Bulawayo. Ama-tickets ayathengwe kuhle. Awakabi sold out. Ibala lothi sold out. I have seen a lot of shows. Omunye ngisoze mkhulume le legend owafaka ipost yokuthi sold out sahamba. Kuzima after work. But it's all down. Sathi sifika singena lama-tickets afika sangena sathola indawo zokunaba but kwamthiwa sold out. So I think bathenga abasa-attendanga. Guys lingabothenga lelo attend umuntu uyabe ethe sold out. So asikafiki ku-sold out. But ama-tickets athengwe kuhle sibile kakhulu. So abangakathola ama-tickets awe the roast of Khaya Pardon, make sure you find your tickets. Hambe ku-roast this Friday on the 20th of March, a high popular pub and drill. Just after i-roast yona leyo, on the 11th of April, sile roast ka-May. Ngu-11 and yes, I think it's 11. Ngamphambazele ngangishayi mina le-BP. 11th of April sile roast ka-Mayor eyabe hostwe yiMahlekisa. So i-roast izabe zikhala. Then after that, like I said, visit ama-page ama-stand-up comedians awakobulawayo. Silama-1 kuthiwa kweni kanti ama-specials abuyayo. Frank Chirisa is a special that's coming up. Tejuni is a special that's coming up. Blame Tando is a special that's coming up. Then ubaba wabo mina.
The big one.
Yes, on the 31st of May, we are live at Bulawayo Theatre. bringing a new concept of stand-up comedy, which is melodic humor, a mixture of comedy and music. It's going to be interesting. On the 31st of May, I'm a limited early bird ticket. They're going for $5. After that, niyabezemfuna 10. Aikona zik. $10. Angiyazi equivalent yakhona. Liyangiconfuse.
Akula VIP?
I-VIP yami ilama special invites. Njengawe swanto kwazi ukuthi ku-VIP. I-VIP asithengisi. I-VIP we've got just special invites for some people that I've worked with, people that have contributed in the growth of my comedy. So on the 31st of May, sabe sisebulawa theatre. Abangani bami laba nonkomo, labo Khumalo. Ongangitshela ukuthi hey mina ngisegoli hey thumeza imali lamatiketi. Kala tiketi lo. Bhatalele wonke umuntu uthenga amatiketi angu-50 ama-early bird, another problem. So if you want to partner with the show, if you want to buy tickets for people abangapha ekhaya, or so especially abangani bami engithanda ukubahlupha vele thengana ama-tickets. It's going to be interesting. eBulawayo Theatre. I think that's all that I have besides Independence that's coming on the 18th of April. There's going to be football, Highlanders versus Scotland. There's going to be a gala. Amagala zawagcina nini? It's going to be an Independence gala, and what I loved about Independence gala, 80% of the film, performers ngabanga. Yeah.
Okay.
So I ngithabile sibili mbona ogodo bayinaje. Mina nto wazi ukuthi ngoyerumba. So it means ngiyafika ekhezi ngabo.
Ungani wakho khona?
Ubani?
Abigail.
I think ngisachikanga. Ngizalitshela ukuthi ischeme sinaje. So mina I think ngizafika ekhezi ngabo 2 ekuseni. Ngiyakwazi vele ukuthi zamakatali ziqayisa salisa isikhathi. Ngapha kwayosatshalezi zegospel. Zikaqeda lezi zegospel. So kungena members zami zamakatali. Ayabe nginazi khona. So make your way to Kezi, guys. I think also for tourist njanjani let's special thina abantu bangapha lathi senze nama hashtag ukuthi #visit Kezi and sihambe Kezi take advantage of Independence ungene la ebhasini yamahara ufike wehla ukubhode la ubona iKezi uthatha ama pictures post on social media. Let's make our places famous and kule marathon. Before I forget, there's also Independence Marathon on the 11th of April. So we are going to Gijima, then to Gijima, so we are going to take that opportunity to explore Indao, register for the marathon. It's free registration. Just go there. We Gijima 5 kilometers, Gijima 11, Gijima 26. Even about wheelchair, even people that are living with disabilities, they are welcome. Then Gijima to explore. La ububoni Indao, ububoni Kezi. La ungahlala usithi hey akula ndawo ezinhle ngale kule ndawo ngalo kulinywa khona amakabichi ku right ngale plus labo sisibethu madoda
Anyway, that brings us to the end of the episode Yenkundleni exclusive brought to you by Deb3 Events. Sitest guys asakhuluma ukuthi guys whenever you have siyakwazi ukuthi April sefika abanye vele imchado ama birthdays family events Deb3 lakho ukuthi kuphathise PA system, stage hire, videography, photography, konke uyakuthola khona lapha Deb3. So ungaxhumana labo usebenzisa ama contacts akhona lapha ku screen. And also don't forget to subscribe, subscribe to the channel and comment and like and share. Ungakholisi wedwa ubone labanye, and also follow Deb3 Events across all social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, le YouTube yena le ikhona-ke Deb3 Events. And also please do follow us. Generally ukhona kuma platforms onke, Nonduduzo Ncube ukhona kuma platforms onke. Lingakhohlwa ukuzogesa izimota eRoyal Shine Car Wash. It's along 4th Street between Connaught and Masosha Avenue. Lezi ngwalo zika Nonduduzo Ncube ziyatholakala khona ngale nge$10 kuphela. So guys, see you next week, same place.
Yeah, and mawungela moto yokugezisa khuluma lo bra yakho ePutas. Obule ngwethu afuka igezisa ngale Royal Kashawa la ukuyenza into productive endlini ayikona ukuthi every day uhlala kutholakala amagabha entshengu awakho. Stop it. And right, it has been Enkundleni exclusive. Mina uJulia Leslie ngilo Nonduduzo Ncube okwakhathi sithi salibona singalikhangela.